In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the storage usage details in Google Drive. If you've ever wondered where your storage is going or why you're running out of space, this quick walkthrough will help you understand exactly what's taking up room across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can get clarity fast. First, sign into Google Drive. Open your web browser and head to the Google Drive website, then log in with your Google account. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. The storage details you'll see are tied to the account that's currently signed in. Once you're in Drive, look to the left side of the screen. There's a navigation panel that lists your main areas, and among them you'll find the storage section. That's the place we want. It's often located near the bottom of the left-hand menu, and opening it will take you straight to a dedicated page focused on your space usage. On the storage page, you'll see a clear breakdown of how your total storage is being used across Drive, Gmail, and Photos. This summary gives you a high-level snapshot, everything stored in Drive, including documents, PDFs, videos, and other files, your Gmail messages and their attachments, and your Google Photos content. Keep in mind that photos and videos saved in either Storage Saver or Original Quality count toward your storage. This breakdown is helpful because it immediately tells you which part of your Google account is using the most space. Below that breakdown, you'll find a list of your files ordered by size, from largest to smaller. This view is especially useful when you need a quick sense of what's taking up the most room. Seeing your biggest files first lets you understand your storage footprint at a glance. Even if you don't take any action right now, simply reviewing the top entries can help you plan what to keep and what to archive elsewhere. The storage area is designed for more detailed management when you're ready. It centralizes your storage insights so you can assess usage without jumping between apps. As you review, consider what's essential to your work and what may be outdated. Be mindful of shared items that others rely on, and always double check that you won't need a file later before making changes. That's it. By logging in, heading to the storage section on the left, and reviewing the breakdown and largest files, you'll have a clear, accurate view of how your Google Drive storage is being used. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this page anytime you need a quick storage health check.